Namaste. Welcome to Namastehindi. I'm Prerna Khandelwal, a native Hindi speaker, and today we are going to learn about Chukna sentences. In perfect tenses, we have two options to make sentences. We learned the first way in our previous video, and the second is to use the compound verb Chukna. Chukna signifies that the action is completed or is finished. It also has the hidden meaning of already. For example, the guests have come. In Hindi it would be मेहमान आ चुके हैं. Let's look at the simple sentence structure. Structure in English: subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb plus object. Structure in Hindi: subject plus object plus verb root plus चुका है for masculine singular subject. चुके हैं for masculine plural subject. चुकी हैं for feminine singular or plural. Note: we don't use the Chukna construction for negative sentences. Let's review this with the examples. If the sentence is she's gone to mall, you can say in Hindi वो mall गई है, or you can also say वो mall जा चुकी है. But if you're saying a negative sentence like she hasn't gone to the mall, in Hindi it would be वो mall नहीं गई है. But you cannot say वो mall जा नहीं चुकी है. Let's understand the difference between present perfect versus Chukna sentences in detail. आए हैं versus आ चुके हैं. For example, if guests drop by, you can say the guests have come. मेहमान आए हैं. But if you were waiting for the guests to come and they finally came, meaning the waiting time is completed by arrival of the guests, then you can say मेहमान आ चुके हैं. Let's look at second example, खाया है versus खा चुकी हूँ. For example, if someone asks you, what have you had? You can answer, I've had cake. मैंने केक खाया है. But if someone is offering you a piece of cake, but you've already had some, you can answer, I've already had cake. In Hindi for feminine subject, it would be मैं केक खा चुकी हूँ.
For male, मैं केक खा चुका हूँ.
बनाया है versus बना चुके हैं. What have you made today? In Hindi it would be आपने आज क्या बनाया है. If you had a task to make 2-3 dishes and someone asks you, what all have you made? In Hindi it would be आप क्या क्या बना चुके हैं. Have you cleaned the room? In Hindi it would be क्या आप कमरा साफ कर चुके हैं. Although Chukna has a hidden meaning of already, if you want to put emphasis on it, you can say already, which is पहले ही in Hindi. I've already cleaned the room. In Hindi, for feminine subject, it would be मैं कमरा पहले ही साफ कर चुकी हूँ.
For male, मैं कमरा पहले ही साफ कर चुका हूँ.
I hope these examples have helped you to know the difference between the two types of perfect tenses. Question and answer. Sawal or jawab. Try to fill in the question mark on the screen to see how much you have learned. I've had ice cream. For feminine subject, it would be मैं आइसक्रीम खा चुकी हूँ.
For male, मैं आइसक्रीम खा चुका हूँ.
Yes, I've done this. For feminine, it would be हाँ, मैं ये कर चुकी हूँ.
For male, हाँ, मैं ये कर चुका हूँ.
Have you sung the song? क्या आप गाना गा चुके हैं? We've read the book. हम किताब पढ़ चुके हैं. They have tried this already. वो पहले ही कोशिश कर चुके हैं. He's gone to India. वो भारत जा चुके हैं. Stay tuned to the channel because next video is going to be a practice exercise for the present perfect tense. And that's all the practice for today. Great job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.